So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on DoorDash. So starting off, you will need to get the DoorDash app and open it up. From this point, you can get some groceries, some necessities, meals, stuff like that from DoorDash to be delivered at your front door. If you want to use Klarna as a payment method, that's completely fine because it's going to be available to you from your checkout. Now on there are a couple different ways to use those payment methods. You can also check them out within your profile here. So you can find your orders, your settings, your profile as well. But what's also important about Klarna is that you are within a region that allows Klarna as a payment method. So just add something to your specific cart so you can add that to cart or add to order in this case, and you can view your cart after that and choose Klarna as the main payment method. So you can continue on here, and from this point you can see select payment method, credit, debit card, PayPal, Cash App Pay, and Klarna. So using Klarna on here, you can then choose to pay in installments or to pay all at once, or as it's called, paid in full. And then you can use pay in 4, so you can use some different installments so you can make it easier on yourself. So that's how you can use Klarna as a payment method within DoorDash. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.